what's up you again guys, this is Paul from Maharlikans Code. I'm a web developer, programmer by profession. I'm from the Philippines but working here in Singapore as a software engineer. And today I will walk through with you guys on how to decompress the Tar.Gz using Golang programming language. Earlier we created the command called comdir, and then this one will compress compress our folder, the entire folder and its contents. So now we want to decompress it again to extract all the files there inside of that GZIP command, that GZIP file format, the file compression format, sorry. And then okay, let's create a new command, and then we will walk through with you guys, and then let's get it on. Okay, welcome back guys. Earlier we have done this compress directory, which is what we call comdir command from our Go copy software. Right now we plan to CLS first. Okay, as you can see, as you remember our earlier discussion, the comdir is to compress the entire directory or a folder. In this time we want to decompress it to put back all the compressed file into normal files that we can use and then we can extract. So we also want to have this new command called dcdir. So means this one decompress the directory. This one is only we can read from our comdir commands. I will show you how to show to compress the entire folder or directory using this comdir command with the source and the destination. And then I want to check if the B is not there. So B is not there, and then press enter. Or the B is there. Oh, the B exists guys, so I forgot, so I need to remove this. Oh, sorry, need to delete first. Okay, now it's been deleted. It will not allow guys to compress based on this manual commands that we are executing. I prevented this, but as usual you can remove this some of the codes there to prevent if the file exists or not. Most specifically this block of code. But again, you can create concatenated zip destination. You can concatenate some of maybe timestamp or random numbers or characters. It's up to you guys. So let's get started again. So right now, based on this command, again I need to execute. Now it's being executed, the comdir. As you can see, I refresh the page. Then there is a starts with the folder name, which is A, and then .tar.gz. Actually, we can extract using the WinRAR or something, whatever you use the extractor. But we also have from our own Go copy software. So we wanted to extract this tar.gz in back to a folder. So right now I need to clear this first. We need to create a new command called dcdir.go, decompress. And then for the sake of shortcut, I pasted this code. Same thing as you know already guys, how to create a new command in Cobra, and then remove all the unnecessary things for this tutorial first. And then again, as you can see, new command to decompress the tar.gz file. So it's up to you guys, you can describe here nicely. And then we require only one argument at this time. We need a source to decompress it, because we need to go with a specific folder. Shall we say here? Normally when we extract, at this moment we just, for the sake of simplicity, we extract the values here. As you can see, I will try to demonstrate. I'm using the WinRAR. Same thing with the WinRAR here, it extracted. Same thing from our code, we want to extract also from the same location. Okay, so what we're going to do is we create this one argument only, so we need the one source, one argument, and then this is called the source directory or source folders, the complete path. So we require only from the user's input the source, and then we, as usual, our starting message, and then we need to open the OS open. This is built-in from Go command to open the source directory, which is the from the on top. We open the directory. If something wrong there, we cannot open, or permission denied or something. These are the common errors that the Go will detect if you cannot read from the folder itself. So whether you don't have the network permission or what they call the folder permission, so normally it will throw, and Golang will not proceed using this os.open command. After this, if successful, if you have permission, then it will go with the next code block. We use again our copy package, our own copy package. You can use this from our IT Republic GitHub. And then we use the extract tar.gz. As you can see, if you go to the definition there, the tar.gz, this is from the package. And then we use this, the codes are there. So at this moment, I don't elaborate much. We can explore this in our next tutorial series, maybe regarding this copy package. So at the moment, you can just reuse this extract tar.gz. This one will extract only the GZIP compression. Okay, so the tar is just a container to contain all the application, and then the real format, compression format, should be the GZIP. This one is built-in from Golang itself also. So Go really have our own compression there. Then it carries a lot of heavy loads from our end, our side, so we don't struggle much. Right now, I also created this copy.extract.gz to simplify our usage regarding this GZIP format, GZIP compression technology that Go provided for us. It's not a new technology, but it's existing for a quite long time. But Go itself have this capability also. So right now we have some error because this copy.extract.tar.gz function requires the log copy. We can directly put throw here. So we can just extract here for simplicity, but we can also put this option to our config.yaml file. So we can just type here another one, which is called hold on. So we want to put this dcdir, whatever commands there, so that we easy for us to track. And then there is one option we can put from our config.yaml file, which is the log with a true or false value. And then we can extract or put back this thing. Then we need to copy, okay, for the sake of simplicity, guys. And then we can fast track our time. We need to put this boolean here. What do you call? We type this dcdir log. So we follow the naming convention there. for us to then we put false by default, and then we can scroll down under this function init. Under this function again we put everything here, whatever in the configuration file will be placed here, load by per config, and then I pasted something so that it will be fast track. And then I need this hold on guys, comdir to make this. So again guys, I put back this type struct, the config dcdir, because and then we require only the log boolean, and because we have only one option only, which is the log, and then we created this struct for that to cater the collection of it from the config.yaml file. And then this one is we require a new variable as per usual. We are doing everything here. And then the dcdir log, which is by default is this one is a boolean type, and then default false value. And then all this we put back here, we place all the codes here to again to read from the configuration file from default command properties dcdir section, command properties, default then command properties, and then dcdir. So we place correctly, and then we use that struct there, I mean the array, and then we loop through, and then we get the log value from the config.yaml file. So right now this variable is we can use from our newly created command, which is this one. So right now there is no error, so we get the value from the config.yaml file. So okay, we try to build, go build, then okay, no errors. As you can see, earlier we created this cb folder, and then we try to see if the new command has been available there. It will be available for sure. Yes, dcdir, the decompress any single tar.gz file. So right now we try to decompress. As you can see, I will show you guys. So let's see if our command is working. So we try go copy dcdir, and then the source folder should be the B, and then we need to locate the correct file thing there, A, which is a.tar.gz. We need a complete file path and then the file name, and then we press enter. It should extract with the same root, with this in the root directory for this B. Okay, now it's extracting. As you can see, the A folder has been extracted, so extracting successfully. So we also have a log there. Now it's working, guys. Now it's all there, all the subfolders and everything which is contained by this tar.gz is completely extracted from our newly created command, which is the dcdir. So now our dcdir completely is working fine, and then as you can see, the files has been extracted also. So maybe that's all for today, guys, and see you. Hopefully you like it, and then you can learn a lot from this tutorial series in here in Maharlikans code. Okay, that's all for today, guys, in this tutorial series regarding how to decompress our earlier compressed folders, entire folders, and then now we have learned how to decompress also to put back all the compressed files that which is our Go copies internal commands that we have created. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial series, and you've learned something in here in Maharlikans code. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified and see more of these types of videos that you can learn from or enhance your existing programming language, most especially those students. Thank you so much, guys, and may God bless us all. See you in my next episode series here in Maharlikans Code. May God bless us all. Thank you, and bye.